Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with a charcoal grill. First, select a safe, open outdoor space, keeping your grill at least 10 feet away from any buildings or flammable materials. Next, ensure your grill is clean and stable on a level surface. Then, arrange your charcoal briquettes or lump charcoal in a pyramid shape for even direct heat, or create a two-zone fire for versatile cooking. This initial setup is crucial for a successful and safe grilling experience. Lighting your charcoal effectively is key. The easiest method is using a chimney starter. Simply place crumpled newspaper or a fire starter cube at the bottom. Fill the top with your charcoal and light the paper. In about 15 to 20 minutes, the coals will be covered in a light gray ash and glowing red, indicating they are ready. Carefully pour them into your grill, distributing them as needed for your cooking method. Controlling your grill's temperature is essential for perfect results. Adjust the top and bottom air vents to manage airflow. More air means hotter coals, while less air cools them down. For direct high heat, keep vents wide open. For lower, indirect cooking, partially close them. Always use a reliable grill thermometer to ensure your food reaches the correct internal temperature, preventing undercooking or overcooking. When grilling, place foods needing a sear, like steaks, directly over the hot coals for a few minutes per side. Then, move them to the indirect heat zone to finish cooking slowly. Avoid constantly flipping your food. 1 or 2 turns are usually sufficient for a great crust. After cooking, close the vents to extinguish the coals safely. Once cooled, clean your grill grates thoroughly for your next delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.